going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. Gotten back into the comedy industry after a long time spent debating it internally. Monte Cassino in 2010, he was the comedian that introduced me onto stage. As you can see, the tire is significantly deflated. It's not a full biscuit that we're going to be replacing my Gang R wheel with. For you don't want to cause any damage to the underside of the body, so that the wheel doesn't turn with us as we apply force to try and loosen the bolts, if that makes sense. The wheel is off, as you can see. Well, the wheel nuts, are now all nicely torqued down. So this, I tightened it again, that you actually torque the wheel nuts tight to make sure that they're actually locked in place. And if you did enjoy it, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please go ahead and click subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once.